In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a poster in Microsoft Designer in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for an event, crafting a promotional piece, or simply exploring the fun of poster design, we'll walk through each step for creating an eye-catching poster with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Designer. This online tool from Microsoft is packed with features that can help you create stunning visuals effortlessly. Once you've found the official page, go ahead and click the Sign In button located in the top right corner. Signing in ensures that all your designs are saved, and you can access them from any device at any time. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the search bar. Here, you need to find or select the poster feature. Microsoft has made this process incredibly intuitive, so locating the poster option should be straightforward. Once selected, you'll be guided through using AI prompts to start your design journey. When you're ready to define your poster, click on the description box. Here, you'll type what you want to create. Whether it's a birthday announcement or a product advertisement, be as descriptive as possible. This helps the AI understand your vision and offer the most suitable design suggestions. Next, let's add a personal touch by incorporating images. Click the Images tab to upload your own pictures. Visual elements are crucial for grabbing attention, so choose images that best represent your theme and enrich your narrative. Microsoft Designer makes it easy by allowing direct uploads. Now, focus on the size of your creation. Click the Size option to pick the perfect dimensions for your canvas. Whether you're printing your poster or sharing it digitally, selecting the correct size is essential for your design's final impact. With your elements and dimensions set, it's time to click Create to generate your poster. The AI will work its magic, incorporating your inputs into a cohesive, professional quality design that you can tweak as needed. If you prefer starting with a ready-made design, explore the Explore Ideas section and choose a template that resonates with you. Once you find something you like, click Edit Design in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open a new tab where you can further customize your chosen template. In this editing pane, you're free to replace various elements of the poster, such as background photos, colors, text, and images. Take your time to experiment with different fonts and layouts to make sure every detail aligns perfectly with your vision. Finally, after perfecting your masterpiece, you'll want to click the Download button. This saves your design to your device, ready for sharing or printing as you see fit. And there you have it, a stunning, custom-made poster created effortlessly with Microsoft Designer. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing!